Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Laravel 12 starter kit with plain bed files. By default, Laravel 12 support Vue.js, React and Livewire, but what if you want to do with just plain Laravel blade files? Then you can also do it, and I will show you in this video. So if I go here, there is a one composer package, blade starter kit, and that's written by Christian Taylor, and you can install it. So let me go here into the documentation that he already written, and I love it. So let me go, and you can simply use Laravel new, and there is the application name, and then dash dash using they have created blade starter kit. So let me just copy this and go to my terminal and just paste it over here. So that means Laravel new app and dash dash using, but you can use before this. So let me just remove this entire thing and just Laravel, hit enter. You can see that I am using Laravel installer 5.14. so make sure you have a installer bigger than 5.14. if you are using 5.12 or 5.10, it's not going to work for you. So let me clear this, and now let me install it. Okay, and you can see that it's not going to ask you which starter kit you want to use, but by default they are going to use blade starter kit. So I'm going to use just testing framework, that's called paste, and hit enter, and it just going to download fresh Laravel application with blade starter kit. So let's wait a moment to install it. Okay, now it is also asking for npm install. Yes, I want to use because blade templates also support tailwindcss, so that's why. Okay, and installing, and that's it. So now my app is ready. So let me go my app. Okay, yeah, and let me clear it. Okay, and let me run this project using php artisan serve command. Okay, and now let me go to the browser. So let me go here and just localhost 8000. Okay, and you can see that we have a fresh application what Laravel 12 starter kit provide. Login and register. If I click on login, you can see that I exactly design what we have in starter kit with Livewire, Vue and React. So let me go to the sign up, exactly the same design, and let me use the fact filler to fill the registration page. So just use the fact filler and just I will say create an account, and you can see that exactly the same layout. And now let me go here, go to the settings, and you can see the profile, password, appearance, and also they support dark mode, and you can see that system and light. So I will keep the light. So this is the preview that already Laravel 12 starter kit provide, and exactly same blade starter kit also provide. So now let me go to the VS Code editor and let's see the code. Okay, so let me go here and I will just say code dot, and it will open the project on my VS Code editor. And you can see that by default I have used the SQLite database. And now let me go and let's see the code. If I'm going and log out and click on register, you can see that this is the registration page. So let me go here and resource and view and auth, and there is, you can see that registration blade file over here, exactly what the Laravel 12 by default provide the folder structure. He is the Taylor follow the exact same method. So you can see that components and partials. Okay, and if I go here, for example, components, layouts, app and header, and you can see also sidebar. So this is really great. And let me go to the register first, and then you can see that he just used route over here. And then let me go to the routes, and if I click on it, you can see that all the routes we have declared over here like this way. Same thing for the authentication. You can see that register controller. If you are using like a Vue, React or Livewire, you don't found the controller, but this guy has defined, you can see over here. Now let me go here HTTP and go to the auth and login controller. You can see over here like there is a create method, store method and destroy method. Same thing for the registration. You can see that this is the create. Right now we are using this one. You can see this is the plan over here, and when you click on it, that store method will call. So for example, if I'm going to use the fact filler and just change the password and hit on create, you can see that page is reload because it's using the plain blade file setup. So that means you can see that the password field confirmation does not match. So that means it is working very simple way. So that way you can ignore to use the Vue.js and React and Livewire. If you don't like that, you can use the plain structure. Okay, and now let me go here. This is all about routes and all about controller, and same thing for all about resource file for the settings, for the change password and for the profile and all you can see over here. And the beautiful thing is that he did is the component. So you can see over here for the input, and you can see that for the labels, for the link, so you can easily use with x input, x label, x link, something like that. You can use the Laravel default component, and that's really, I love it. Okay, so this like Taylor does really great work on this. And if you don't want to use React, Vue and Livewire, then you can use this one with tailwindcss. This is really great. Okay, and if I go here, for example, we are using, for example, let me fact filler and click on create account. You can see that there is a home icon, and this is the old icon. He just use phosphor icons over here. This library he is used because by default, like if you are using with Livewire, then Laravel 12 use the flux for the input and all. So you can see for this he used this free icons library and all the icons. So if you like this all the things, then you can, if you want to use, then you can use for blade starter kit. So at the end, if you like this video, then please share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys.